first knot is a quick release knot or the manger tie knot. The first thing is you want to tie your horse to a stationary pole like so. So you take your lead rope around the back side of your pole so your free end is hanging down on the left side. Secondly, you take your free end underneath your stationary end and create a loop that passes over the top of your stationary end like so. Then, with what's left of your free end, take it underneath your stationary end of your rope and through the loop that you just created. But don't pass it through the loop, as you need to put the rest of your free end through that second loop you just created like so. And then when you want to untie your horse, you just pull with your right hand with your free end and they're untied.